With every day comes new decisions. If you want to look better and feel better, you have to do something different. Changing your body means changing your life. Introducing Forever Fit, an advanced nutritional and weight management program designed to transform your life in 3 easy-to-follow steps. Clean 9, Fit 1, and Fit 2. The FIT system is a revolutionary new approach to health and wellness that will help you look and feel better. The Look Better, Feel Better revolution is spreading around the world because when you feel better, people notice.
You look great.
Thanks.
That's what makes Forever Fit so easy to share. Wherever you go, Forever Fit can transform your life and everyone around you. Looking better, feeling better. That's something everyone wants. FIT gives you more focus, more confidence, more energy. Clean 9 will help you begin to remove stored toxins from your body to feel lighter and more energized. Fit 1 will change the way you think and feel about nutrition and exercise and teach you how to make your weight loss sustainable. Fit 2 will help you build lean muscle, tone your body, and complete your transformation. Start your transformation today. The most exciting new innovation from Forever Living Products. The key to transforming your life is Forever Fit.